Hi everyone, my name is Gary and you are watching the Tilting Trikes channel. In this video I will introduce our Bespoke Can-Am Ryker body kit with concealed storage in the front. So let's get right to it.
But first, if you have never seen a Can-Am Ryker before, here are a couple shots showing a stock Ryker as it comes from the factory compared to one equipped with our body kit. Originally, we designed these body panels to cover the mechanical components of our tilting Ryker suspension. If you are not familiar with our tilting conversion project, please visit our website to learn more. Now, going back to the topic of this video, I'd like to point out that throughout the design process of this kit, we wanted to accomplish a few performance improvements and increase the storage capacity of the Ryker without sacrificing aesthetic appeal. So let's go over the storage compartment. Here we have two adjustable draw latches that securely hold the front cover down against two adjustable height rubber stops. They can be reached by standing on either side of the Ryker for easy access to the storage compartment and all the other regular maintenance components underneath, like your coolant level, battery tender, oil filter, etc. The cover is supported by two gas struts for easy opening and closing, and is calibrated to stay in the open position while accessing the storage compartment. The capacity of the storage space is slightly over 12 gallons, and this is only counting the main fairly square areas. This is more than enough space for everyday use, such as quick trips to the grocery store or running errands, and even a solo trip with a duffel bag and a backpack. In comparison, the Spyder F3 comes with 6.5 gallons of storage space in the front. Also, because we relocated the headlights, now there are two large empty sockets where the lights used to be. They could be used as additional storage space for infrequently used small items, such as a Velcro pouch containing an emergency kit or a tire repair kit. All the panels of this body kit are firmly attached to a subframe that bolts on directly to the main frame of the Ryker. No cutting, drilling, or welding is required to install this kit. For us, aesthetic appeal is very important, and the most obvious benefit of having this concealed front storage is eliminating the need for permanently installed saddlebags that detract from the open, sporty appearance of the back of the Ryker. So let's go over some of the performance improvements from installing this kit. First, the kit adds a net 23.5 pounds to the front of the Ryker, and this alone, without even taking into account any additional cargo weight, helps stabilize the front. Second, and at high speed, the aerodynamic shape of the front cover creates downforce, further increasing the stability of the front end. So by shifting the overall center of gravity forward and adding aerodynamic panels, there is a noticeable improvement in handling, cornering, and overall ride stability, especially at high speeds. One other benefit is that the body kit reduces wind buffeting in any riding position and significantly reduces this effect when riding in a slightly leaned forward position like you see in this clip. Here I'd like to mention that we are a small startup and unfortunately don't have the necessary resources to provide you guys with quantifiable data that show the level of improvements this kit makes. However, if you own a Ryker and are interested in this kit, you may contact us and arrange for a test ride and experience the performance improvement for yourself. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe for updates on our future projects. You may also visit our website for more information about this kit. Until next time, whatever you choose to ride, enjoy the open road and safe riding.